faces, your faces, your faces, come on, your faces. This defense es medio partido.
¡Vamos, ¡Vamos, mucho, vamos!
¿Qué queréis que os diga? He's not about tactical, man. Ribbon. Turnover. Come on. ¿Dónde está nuestra actitud, nuestro orgullo? The fucking problem is we got one foul only. Can you spell foul? Play to the limit of the... They move the fucking ball. Very easy. They move the ball with no problem. We are not solid on one-on-one. We not talk. We know box out. Against Madrid. Take care of the ball, man. Take care of the ball. Not to screen. Touch the paint. Moving the ball to the corner. Claro, joder. Moving the ball to the corner. Moving the ball to the corner. Paciencia. Moving the ball. Take advantages in the close out. But the most important thing is, come on, recover quick and defense. Two sides, the ball inside to look at everybody open, and you stay there, ready to shot. Hey, force him. Let's go. Play defense.
Come on now.